Brother Finn, with great humility and gratitude, I request you to please officially launch the Goa Home Food app.
Dear friends, I officially open the Goa Home Food app. And you can get home food from a huge number of people within an hour. Ruchin will tell you more about it. It's a very good venture, non-profit making, and brings you home food to your door.
Thank you very much, Brother Finn. From all our team, I present to you this plaque, which you can keep with you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Elaine. I'm handing it back to you. Don't let the crowd get away. Thank you so much.